All right, so this is, oh, I just cracked my neck. This is super simple. You see the software here. It's called Engagement Monster. It's called Engagement Monster because it's like a little monster that helps you boost your engagement on all your posts, so you can get actually more engagement on your post. You can get more visibility on your post, which hopefully will ultimately, if you're doing it properly, if you're not, just check out my course, will ultimately lead to more leads and more sales coming in for you. So this software I actually sell for money almost every single day. Somebody buys it for $27 a month or $270 a year. But guess what? Since you're one of my lovely, lovely members in my membership area and you paid $1 to be part of my membership area, I'm giving it to you for free. So if you just scroll down to the bottom, there's a place you can put your email in and your name in, and you'll get your free account set up. Then right after that, I have an amazing offer, but you can skip that if you want to skip that.